Experiencing issues with Mint Mobile's Chat with Us feature? There are a few common reasons. First, check your internet connection. A weak Wi Fi or cellular signal can prevent the chat from connecting. Ensure the Mint Mobile app is updated to the latest version, 7.8.2 or later, as older versions may have bugs. Server overloads, especially during peak hours like evenings and weekends, can cause intermittent outages. Finally, app permissions for notifications and microphone are crucial. Without them, the chat may fail to initiate. If using a VPN, recent updates should allow chat access, but older configurations might still be blocked. The feature is now stable for most users, with an uptime of over 95%, so it's important to rule out common user-side issues. First, verify your data or Wi-Fi connection. Try switching networks if needed. Next, update and restart the Mint Mobile app. Force close and reopen it. Third, on Android, clear the app's cache in Settings, Apps, Mint Mobile Storage. On iOS, offload the app. If the app consistently fails, use the web portal at mintmobile.com for chat support. Fifth, ensure your SIM is activated and avoid logging in from multiple devices simultaneously. For persistent issues, check Mint Mobile's status page for known outages. Make sure to report your issue in detail for faster resolution.